It doesn't matter how many of these we put up. Trespassers just take them down, or they just walk onto the property and ask for forgiveness later. Trespassers really don't care if you put up the yellow signs. Sometimes trespassers will just risk it and see if they get caught. So if the yellow signs don't work and the trespassers keep coming, here's something that you can do. When they see the landowner, they'll turn around. So the next time trespassers think about coming onto your property, they'll be thinking twice.